PS5 controller not charging fix. Is your PS5 controller refusing to charge just when you are ready to play? It is incredibly frustrating when your gear lets you down, but do not worry. You can absolutely fix this issue yourself at home after watching this video. I have gathered the best solutions just for you. If you face any difficulty, please leave a comment below. I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more fixes. Let us jump straight into the solutions. We will start with the most common fixes and move to the more advanced ones. First, check your USB cable. Not all cables are created equal. Some are for charging only and do not carry data, which the PS5 needs. Try using a different high-quality USB-C cable. If the controller starts charging, the problem was just a faulty or incompatible wire. Next, inspect the USB ports on your console. Sometimes the front port can become loose or stop providing enough power. Try plugging your cable into the ports on the back of the PS5. These are often more reliable for delivering consistent power. If the cable and ports are fine, it is time to reset the controller. Look for the small pinhole on the back. Use a paperclip to press and hold that button for 5 seconds. This resets the internal software and can clear charging glitches. Now let us check for updates. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to System Software, then select System Software Update and Settings to ensure your console is current. You should also update the controller itself. Go to Settings, then go to Accessories, then go to Controller General, then select DualSense Wireless Controller Device Software. Check your power settings too. Ensure your USB ports are set to provide power even when the console is in rest mode. For deeper issues, we can use Safe Mode. Turn off your console, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via cable and select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. This fixes many underlying system errors. We have covered cables, ports, resets, and system updates. One of these steps will almost certainly get you back in the game. You have got this handled. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Happy gaming!